This is how to use the table view on TradingView. You right click on your chart and you scroll down to table view. That was a weekly chart of NVIDIA, and this is why the price data here is on the weekly time frame. We had 3 moving average indicators on that chart, and you see all their values here, MA 200, 30, and the moving average 9 period. So the table view consolidates all this price data that you can download. Notice that it's the weekly time frame. If you were in the daily or hourly, it would use that data, and you can just single click and download the data if you have the premium plan on TradingView. I only have the essential one. If this feature is useful to you, you can upgrade easily. So this is what the table view does. You can use the data to put them in Excel, number crunch, and other quantitative methods. Clicking on the diamond here takes you back to chart. This is how you can use the table view on TradingView.